What's up, boys? How's it going?
Good.
You ready to jump out of an airplane today?
Yeah. Yeah.
First time?
Yeah, my second time.
Second time. Did you drag him out here?
Well, when I jumped 12 years ago, he's like, I want to go when I'm 18. So here we go.
Today is the day. All right. You got anything you want to say to people watching you at home?
Hey, Colby.
She's here. That's all that matters, right? All right, you ready to have fun?
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right. What a great day. This is awesome. Thank you, man.
Fantastic.
Oh.
Let's have some fun, okay?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, how you feeling?
Awesome. Here all day.
Yeah. Just over 1,000 feet. Ready? We're back.
Yeah.
What'd you think?
We made it. Not bad for a grandpa, huh?
Yeah, no, man. You're not going to wait 10 years to do this again, right?
No, at least 4.
At least 4.
Maybe before. Who knows?
Maybe before. All right, man. Thanks for coming out to Skydive New England. You did
Thank you.
fantastic. We'll see you next time, okay?
All right.